Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another look. This is a bronze makeup look that is perfect for summer. I did this makeup look as a 90s throwback with a classic brown lip and matching bronzy eyes. This is pretty much self-explanatory, so everything is sped up, and I hope you stick around and watch how the entire look comes together.
Tasted anything before, so sweet. All the days we spent together when we fell in love. What took for granted, now I stand here 'cause I miss your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss the way that you say my name. You're too good. I'd never heard of anything before so sweet. All the days we spent together when we fell in love. What took for granted, now I stand here 'cause I miss your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love. You crash into me like waves. Never knew the value of those days. I miss your love, your love, your love. I miss your love, your love, your love. Oh, I miss your love.
Do you want babe? Do you want babe? I'm not sure what you want. Do you want babe? Do you want baby? I'm not sure what you want from me. And I'm not sure what you want. Do you want babe? Do you want baby? But I'm not sure what you need. What you want from me? Do you want babe? Do you want babe? And I'm not sure what you want from me. What you want from me? Do you want babe? Do you want babe? And I'm not sure what you want from me. I'm not sure. Do you want babe? What do you want from me? Do you want babe? Do you want baby? From me. I'm not sure. Do you want baby? Do you want baby? I'll be back before you know. Trying to read your mind, girl, I don't know. If I tell you what I want, we'll fall apart. I don't even know, girl, where to start. Where to start, baby girl, you feel so far. Do you want, babe, do you want? 'Cause I'm not sure what you want from me.